Hello children. Today we are going to learn second part of your fifth lesson. Your fifth lesson is natural disasters. In the previous class we learned about the natural disasters. Certain natural disasters are caused by changes in the interior of the earth such as earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, tsunamis, etc. Some other natural disasters are caused by changes on the exterior of the earth, such as floods, cyclones, forest fires, and landslides. Today, we shall study some of the other natural disasters like volcano, tsunami, flood, and famine. First one, volcano. A volcano is an opening or vent in the layers of weak rocks on Earth's surface through which molten lava, rock, ashes, dust, and gases come out from Earth's interior. Volcanic eruptions occur due to four main reasons. First one, high temperature in the interior of the Earth. Second, creation of magma. Third one, creation of gases and vapor. Fourth one, rising of magma towards Earth's surface. Formation of volcanic mountain. Due to internal pressure, there is a lot of movement within the molten lava situated in the interior of the earth. The water percolating through the cracks and openings of the weak rock surface turns into vapor under high temperature. The vapor and gases lying under hot magma push it upwards with great force. The gases present in the magma reach near the surface of the earth and erupt with a high pressure in the form of lava, ash, gases, rock pieces of various shapes and sizes, etc. This magma spreads all direction and forms a cone-shaped hill or a mountain. Such a mountain is called a volcano. This is how a volcano is formed. Depending on the proportion of gases and size of the vent on Earth's surface, one can know how dangerous a volcano is. If the amount of gases and vapor is more and vent on the Earth's surface is narrow, then the eruption is very dangerous. But if the amount of gases is less and the vent is broad and long, then the molten lava comes out slowly and spreads itself on the Earth's surface. There are three types of volcanoes: active volcano, dormant volcanoes, and extinct volcanoes. First one, active volcanoes. These are volcanoes which erupt frequently. Mount Etna in Italy is an example of an active volcano. There is only one active volcano in India, and that is in the islands of Andaman and Nicobar. Second one is dormant volcanoes. These are sleeping volcanoes which have not erupted for a while but may erupt. Mount Rainier in the USA is an example of a dormant volcano. Third one, extinct volcanoes. These are dead volcanoes and are unlikely to erupt. They have not erupted since thousands of years but show some features of volcanoes. Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania is an example of extinct volcano. The benefits of the volcanic eruption. First point, due to the volcanic eruptions, a large layer of lava spreads on the surface of the earth, and this lava soil is very fertile and is useful for agriculture. Second point, abundant crop can be obtained with the help of potassium-rich soils of volcanic residues. Third point, volcanic regions are composed of igneous rocks. Precious minerals like mercury, lead, zinc, tungsten, tin, etc. are available from these rocks. Fourth point, when the lava cools down and solidifies inside the vent of volcano and carbon comes under heavy pressure, it turns into diamonds. Fifth point, at, at few places in the volcanic region, there are hot water springs and geysers which are useful in curing certain skin diseases. Sixth point, small pebbles thrown out during volcanic eruption known as lapilli, and these can be molded and given desired shapes easily. Second type of natural disaster, tsunami. Tsunami is a Japanese word. Su means port and nami means waves. Due to the volcanic eruption or an earthquake below the surface of the oceans, very large, powerful and extremely high waves are created. They are known as tsunami waves. Their wavelength is approximately 700 to 1600 km and travel with a great speed and force. Their wave height of up to about 10 meters or 33 feet as the sea floor. By the time these waves reach coast, they attain great height and power, which causes a great deal of destruction in the coastal regions. Hence, they are known as destructive waves. When these large waves strike the coast with great speed and force, they cause very heavy devastation. Tsunami waves are generated one after another. As a result, devastation near the coastal area continues for many hours. India experienced a tsunami disaster on 26th December 2004. The 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami occurred on 26th December with an epicenter of the west coast of northern Sumatra in Indonesia. Nearly 230,000 people died in 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami, making it one of the deadliest disasters in modern history. Indian states affected by 2004 tsunami were in Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, and at Andaman and Nicobar Island. Japan experienced a tsunami disaster on 11th March 2011. Next one is about flood. Excess flow of water in a river is known as flood. Flood occurs due to two reasons. First one, heavy rain in the upper course of a river, and second one, if a dam on river breaks. Flood affects in the low-lying areas on the river bank. Next, about famine. Scanty rainfall or no rainfall for 2 to 3 years successively leads to the drying up of the groundwater and shortage of food and water. This condition is known as famine. The possibility of famine can be reduced by planting more and more trees. Here ends your fifth lesson, Natural Disasters. Thank you.